Good morning, grade 5. This is your science class and I welcome you all to the second lesson of the 4th week. I am sure all my students have completed their homework and have a thorough understanding of the topics which we discussed in the last class. Let me introduce you to the topics of today's lesson. We will continue unit number 3, life functions, and today's topics are sensitivity and reproduction. I will also guide you about the written work today. Well, my dear students, I want to start my lesson with a quick review of the last presentation. In the last class, I explained the process of respiration in animals and plants. Respiration produces useful energy for living things and happens differently in different animals. We got to know about excretion as the removal of waste from the body of living things. I also gave you the assignment to answer a long question in your notebooks. This was all about the previous class. Now I will start today's topic, which is sensitivity. Many animals have the same senses as humans, which are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Some creatures feel or sense things with special body parts. Like a fly has feelers or antennae to sense what is around it, but the interesting thing is that it tastes with its feet. Snakes have a long tongue which picks up chemical particles from the air and ground. A special organ in the head of the snake reacts to the sense. It also helps the snake to trail its prey. Zebra uses a combination of sight, hearing and smell to tell if there is a lion nearby. Spiders have hairy legs and can pick up movements when small insects are caught up in their web. Bat has sharp ears. It can hear high-pitched sounds, which echoes off surfaces. Echo means bouncing off a hard surface. Fish has 6 senses. The lateral line along the side of its body helps to feel vibrations in the water and to be aware of the danger. Mimosa plant has sensitive leaves. When we touch the leaves of this plant, they will close. The next life process is reproduction. All living things produce young ones. Mammals give birth to the baby. Different animals produce a different number of babies at a time, like mice can produce 32 babies at a time. Birds, insects, and reptiles lay eggs and baby hatches from the egg. Plants produce seed. Seeds grow into a full plant and are dispersed by wind, water or insects. Some plants produce spores that are dispersed by wind or water. Here is a concept map for my brilliant students. We know that all living things need oxygen. Tell me which body part the following living things use for respiration. The list of living things and body parts is given in this slide. I want you to think about it, take your time and send me answers later. I will add this question to your worksheet. Dear students, you have to answer 2 questions in your notebooks with the help of your books and these presentations. The first question is exercise question number 5, part 4. Write a detailed answer to this question. The question is, why do animals need to be able to sense danger? Describe a few examples of how animals can tell if there is danger nearby. For the answer, many examples are given in your textbook, page number 28 and 29. Also, you can pick examples given in the presentation. But why animals need to be able to sense danger? You all need to think about the answer to this part yourself. Moving to the next question, which is exercise question number 5, part 7. You will give a short answer to this one. The question is, what are antennae? Which animals have them and what are they used for? Please formulate your answer with the help of your book and this presentation. Now let's go through your homework quickly. Please review this presentation thoroughly. Answer the above-mentioned questions in your notebooks. I have guided you about 1 long and 1 short question to be done in your notebooks. You can take help from your textbook, this presentation or science teacher. Also, complete the worksheet I am sending with this presentation. I will see you all next week. Please complete all your assignments and take good care of yourself. Goodbye.